Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zara.
Hello, Zara. It is so good to see you. I am Krish, and I am very happy to talk with all of you today.
I am happy too, Krish. Today, we have a very special topic. We are talking about how to practice your spoken English when you are completely alone.
Practicing alone. Many people think it is impossible to improve without a speaking partner, but there are actually some great ways to do it.
That is true. A lot of people give the advice to just go out and talk to native speakers, but that is not practical. Most of us don't have an American waiting at the tea stall to chat with us.
Exactly. Most of us have the motivation, we know the grammar rules, but when it's time to actually open our mouth to practice, we are sitting in our room, completely by ourselves.
And it's tough, because when you don't practice speaking out loud, your brain gets lazy. You end up translating everything from your mother tongue in your head. By the time you figure out the perfect English sentence, the conversation has already moved on, and you just freeze.
But Zara, how do we actually fix it? How do we practice speaking when our only company is the ceiling fan?
It sounds a little crazy, but you have to become your own speaking partner.
Own speaking partner? But how, Zara?
Exactly, your own speaking partner. Today, we are going to give you 3 very practical ways to do exactly that, without feeling like a complete weirdo.
Okay, I'm ready. What is it, Zara?
We call it the running commentary. You basically narrate your own life, out loud.
Like a sports commentator?
Exactly like that, but for everyday things. When you are making Maggie or looking for your charger, speak in English. Literally say, "Where did I put my charger? My phone is at 2%. Ah, found it under the bed."
Oh, like that? Which means I am speaking out whatever I am doing or seeing around me.
Exactly. If you speak on your own, then it will improve your pronunciation and fluency.
Okay, but what if I'm waiting for the bus or sitting in the metro? I can't start doing a running commentary out loud. People will definitely stare.
Fair point. In public, switch to an internal commentary. Look at the guy sitting across from you and describe the situation in your head. He's wearing a blue shirt. He keeps checking his watch. He looks really stressed. The goal is to force your brain to generate thoughts in English directly, instead of translating.
I like that. It keeps the brain active. But if I'm only talking to myself, who corrects my pronunciation? Nobody is there to tell me I'm saying a word wrong.
That's where shadowing comes in. Krish, how much time do you spend watching YouTube or Instagram Reels every day?
Look, we don't need to talk about my screen time. Right now, it's a lot.
Same here. But instead of just mindlessly scrolling, use it as practice. Find a creator you like, listen to one sentence they say, pause the video, and repeat it exactly how they said it.
Copy their exact tone?
Exactly. If they sound excited, you sound excited. You are training your mouth muscles to produce those sounds naturally. Don't just read the subtitles flatly. Be a parrot.
That makes a lot of sense. You're basically borrowing their voice. But here's the hardest part about practicing alone. You don't feel like you're making progress. And when you don't see progress, you quit.
That is exactly why you need to use the WhatsApp diary trick.
A WhatsApp diary trick? What is it, Zara?
It is the trick where you create a WhatsApp group, add your best friend, and then immediately kick them out.
And there I speak on my own, right?
Yes, exactly. Now you have a private chat with just yourself. Every single night before you go to sleep, hold down the mic button and record a 1-minute voice note. Talk about your day. Did you finish your exams? Did you eat something good? Just speak in English for 60 seconds.
And I guess I listen to it later?
Yes. On day 30, you go back and listen to day 1. You will cringe at first, but you will physically hear how much smoother your speaking has become. It is the absolute best proof that you are improving.
That is brilliant. I like the WhatsApp trick, and I will do it on a daily basis. So everyone, narrate your life, shadow your favorite YouTubers, and send yourself voice notes. 0 partner required.
0 excuses. Try just one of these today. If you come across a new way to practice, try to use it today. That is the best way to make it stick in your memory.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep on trying.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. We hope you had a great time and learned some useful tricks.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this lesson. And drop a comment below letting us know which of these 3 tricks you are going to try first.
Happy learning, everyone. Goodbye.